Hi, Jack Jackway again. Part 5, Super Intelligent AI. A survey just published views that high-level machine intelligence, super intelligence, which we'll talk about in a second, is expected to leap within 30 years after general AI. Remember, we had narrow, then general, then super intelligence. There are many people that think what I'm about to describe is never going to happen. So let's talk about what that's going to be. This is the picture. Let's talk about this down here. I don't have a pointer that can do that. But let's talk about that bottom box, the blue box there that talks about the AI agent. So imagine that that's the super intelligent AI agent. This is the example. Within the first hours of a data ingestion, the agent is reading billions of medical records in every language in real time. So it's getting every piece of information all over the world. The rules have been set up so it can do that, but it's getting every piece of information that's listed there. And suddenly it recognizes something out of nowhere. It says it spots a hidden pattern, a rare protein mutation that human scientists would need months or years to notice because it recognized a pattern from something going on in the world. Then it simulates millions of potential drug molecules at the same time and designs a completely new antiviral compound without being told to do anything. It's just doing this. These big old computers are working hard. And it's calculating everything that we just said. And it's predicting then the effectiveness and the side effects before a single lab experiment. It's found the pattern. It figures out what to do and how to fix it. Then, simultaneously, it drafts production blueprints for manufacturers, proposes optimal logistical routes to get the medicine worldwide, and even sends negotiation terms to national governments all in the same day. And throughout, it weighs the health outcomes, the supply chain bottlenecks, the ethics, the political dynamics better than any team of human experts could. All of us experienced COVID and what went on there. And regardless of your political beliefs, what an unbelievable task to identify it and to do all the things associated with it here. Now imagine at the end of one day, it was done by a computer or a series of computers. By the way, the key to that is that first bullet, all the data. Remember when we talked earlier how data is important? AI someday is going to be able to do this, but only if it's got access to the data. And do you ever think we can get the world to agree on allowing all that data to be there? If we can, the world will be a better place. If we can somebody misuse that data? But that's what super intelligent AI. There are people working today to try to figure out how to go make that happen. This kind of talks about everything that we went through with regard to superintelligence. These AI agents, which were the blue box at the bottom, they can perceive, reason, and act on behalf of users. How do you do that? Well, the easiest one are the customer support chatbots. They're getting better and better. You call up, hey, I got a problem with my car. I got a problem with my Mac. My back statement isn't there. Hey, the fogging didn't work, blah, 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 blah. And the chatbot does everything. It recognizes whether it's right or wrong. It speaks in a language that you're familiar with. It gives you information, and it does everything you need it to do. Takes care of your orders, issues a credit. That's what that agent does. So I've left the world of narrow, general, and superintelligence, and now we're talking about these agents and what these agents go do, which is really what the next part of our series is going to be about. We've talked narrow, where we're at today and likely to be for the next 5 to 10 years. general, which is coming, and then last but not least, and this kind of the scariest one, is the super intelligent model. But all of them end up sending that output to agents and what those agents do. So now we're going to talk about those agents. Thank you.